bird.
Hi.
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 Want to go to the forest and look for birds?
Okay.
Okay. Talk a little bit louder.
Okay, let's start looking up.
You girls
We need to hear you.
Mickey, you're listening to me.
Hey, I see one.
Oh, cool. Hey, where are we?
I don't know, I think we're in a different land. Let's let the magical bird take us. It looks kind of magical.
Okay.
What happened to
Oh my God,
You're beautiful.
joking.
Okay. It takes you to the house.
Oh no, the tree fell.
Whoa, look where the magical bird took us.
Hey, this is our house. Why are all these presents here?
Maybe the magical bird brought us.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll make it a present.
Done?
Yeah.
The end. Beautiful. Okay, this is